So here are some air conditioners at the back side of this hotel. This is a packaged unit. Fortunately, it's not running. I don't know what brand it is. It says it has a scroll compressor. I don't know. I do not know. Oh, it says something over here. It's a very old one. And yeah, so there's a high-L heat pump right here. Actually, I believe it's a heat pump. It's not running either, but it must be very quiet. There's some propane tanks over there. And here's a really big exhaust fan with the kitchen kind, and it's running. It's like a blower fan. Another high-L heat pump. Wait, what? Wait a minute. This one doesn't have a fan. Wait a minute. Wait, what happened to the... What the... The fan is stuck down there. Oh. It's probably not put together yet. It's like out of service, I guess. Yeah. Kind of weird though. Like that air conditioner. Yeah, but... For my YouTube channel. And over here is another blower, 2 more blowers. That one right there is running. It's like the kitchen blower, and here's another central air conditioner. I have no idea what brand this is. Let me see. I'm guessing it's a Lennox, but I don't know what brand it is. So, hope you enjoyed the video.